Action.
Hi, I'm Gabriel Peterson from ARM here at GDC 2023. I'm at the Tune-Up Bay #2 at the ARM booth, Build Epic Battles with ML on ARM. Kiko Mitsunami is the one running this booth. Tell me about yourself, tell me what you're doing, and tell us about this demo.
Yes, thank you. I'm Koki, staff engineer ARM. We are investigating machine learning scenarios in mobile gaming. Here we are showcasing machine learning multi-agent game demo. And here, many rabbits are divided into two teams. All rabbits are controlled by machine learning. And then, they are trying to crack the opponent's egg. These are the remaining HP of the eggs. And then also these are the remaining number of rabbits. Actually, in this game, there are three types of rabbits. Attacker is trying to crack the egg. Defender is trying to protect their own egg. And then the last one is trying to defeat the rabbits. And actually there's another AI called Planner. Planner is dynamically assigned the role to each rabbit. And then the game becomes, dynamically changing the rabbit's roles interactively.
Oh, that's awesome. So, this is running on the phone, of
yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is not running TV, and this is running on mobile. And then, game AI is one of the hot topics in gaming, but most of them are on PC game, console games. But we are expecting it to come to mobile soon. And then we are showcasing, mobile is ready for machine learning agents.
Awesome. And this is very accessible, right? ML agents with Unity. It's not, you don't have to be a computer scientist with a degree in machine learning, right? It's very accessible.
Yeah, exactly. We use Unity's ML agents toolkit, which is very easy to start with. So we really encourage game developers to use ML agents.
Awesome. So what are the main takeaways from this? What do you want people to know?
As I said, mobile is handling many agents very well already, and also a few years old mobile phone is also running many agents very well. So we really encourage game developers to try, and then we are really looking forward to their agents.
Cool. Well, thanks for walking me through this, and thank you for watching.
Thank you very much.